Hi, welcome back to my channel. From PIB, that is Press Information Bureau, we got one information related to this Indian Railways computer based test, and they gave the dates like 15th December 2020. The exams will be started from 15th December 2020. Let's see in detail of that. You can see here they have mentioned like Indian Railways is going to start a computer based test for notified vacancies from 15 December 2020. From 15 December 2020 these exams going to be started, and Indian Railways has notified three types of vacancies. These were 35,208 for NTPC and 1663 for isolated and ministerial categories, and 1,03,769 for level 1 vacancies. In all, RRBS has notified a total of 1.4 lakhs such vacancies for NTPC category, level 1 posts, and isolated and miscellaneous categories. Against the above vacancies, RRBS has received more than 2.4 crores applications. The computer based test for above vacancies has to be deferred due to COVID-19 pandemic and resultant lockdown which was imposed toward the country. And RRBS of Railways are committed to hold the CBT for all the notified vacancies and has been actively accessing the ground situation imposed due to pandemic. Now that experience of conducting examinations for the JEE for IIT and NEET is there, it was felt that Railways too can start the process which has to be stopped due to the COVID pandemic. So from the experience from JEE, IITS and NEET, Railways is also going to start the exams. SOPs for the conduct of an examination of this magnitude are being framed. Norms of social distancing and other protocols prescribed by the various central and state authorities need to be followed, which are essential in the interest of the safety of the candidates. Railways now propose to commence first stage online computer based test from December 15, 2020. And necessary action has to be intimated in this regard. So finally this exam is going to be started from 15 December 2020 of this year. So all the best guys, prepare well and rock your exam. Thank you. Thanks for watching.